What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel and another video. Today we're going to be doing an open cup with a star-shaped cookie cutter. I'm going to try to maintain this shape in the open cup. Colors we're using is violet, magenta, fluorescent pink, and some titanium white. All the colors are mixed 2 parts pouring medium to 1 part paint, and there is 1 to 2 drops of the coconut milk hair serum in all the colors. I have a little extra titanium white mixed up over here that has no oil in it. It will serve as our base coat. And with that, let's get this pour started. How's everybody doing? I want to have a decent base coat, fairly large. Plenty of room for this star to bloom, you know what I mean? First thing I'm going to add is a little more titanium white to the center to give it a whole lot of nice color to push through. And some pink. And now we're going to one of our darker colors with the magenta. And we'll just lift it up. And let those colors kind of pour out. We should be doing thicker layers towards the beginning, because as we get towards the end, I'm going to want the layers much thinner. Just put this really bright pink right next to that violet, because they are very different looking colors. And I think that looks super cool already. Now, since the magenta is really dark, I'm going to add some white to it. Not as much as the other colors, just enough to kind of separate these two. All right. I have a cool little star here. Let's see what's hiding underneath. That's a really bright fluorescent pink cell right there. Definitely got some stuff going on. I'm liking it. We don't need to coax it too much though. We still have a little ways to go for this one. So the magenta was just used. I might as well use this fluorescent pink one more. Now we're about halfway done. So I'm going to cut the layer sizes into about the same amount, about half. There's a lot of beautiful colors in here, and I want to make sure we get them all. A little bit of white. I don't think we'll use too much more white. That was a bigger layer than I had intended, but it's okay. Won't hurt anything. It's not really keeping that star shape as much as I would like. I don't know if I could maybe lift the cup all the way up. I don't know. We'll see. Let's see. If I lift the cup all the way up, that's not a star. And I'll put it down right back where it was, and hopefully get some cool stuff going on. Small layers. I'm liking that fluorescent pink, I think, a little too much. Alright, let's see what it does. Ooh, it's creating a different type of design. That's cool. Okay. I like that. Let's let it do it again. Just let it spread out just a little bit, then put this back down where it was. Tiny bit of white. not too much. Now we're going to go to this really deep magenta color. And the violet is a light enough color to offer a contrast. And then the pink. And then tiny spot of white. Not much at all. Alright, so let this leak out. It is creating this cool like shape though, so I like that. Take the cup off, do a little swipe-a-rooney. Now we're gonna apply some heat. Try to pull some of those oils through to the surface. Get some kind of cells forming for us. So when we go to stretch, we can enlarge them, make them larger. I still have a little bit of this extra gold left over. So yeah, actually I'm gonna do something totally different. So let's see. Just need some drops. That is probably a big enough drop right there. I'm putting it in areas that don't have much cells going on. So maybe it might remain that way with not much cells. You never know. Once we expose what's underneath, thin out these layers considerably, there is a good chance. Ooh, almost dripped. Let me put that right in the center of that cell. I like how the gold it's actually pulling different colors as it pushes through. I think that's really cool. All right, so there we go, got that. And now I'm just gonna take this little dotting tool and kind of just rework this gold into little figures, little shapes, designs, because hopefully when we stretch this, they will maintain that design, that shape. And then once we build even more cells, hopefully we can get something really nifty out of them. I like that one. That one's cool. Just little dabbles here and there. I know this is going to be the center, so I probably could add a little flair to it. Just little lines. Almost kind of merging the cells together. And all these shapes that we're creating here are going to grow much larger. All right. Well, I like the gold accents. I like what's going on in the center. Now we just need to spread it out. And let's use a little bit of this leftover white to give it some room to push without rolling under. All right, you guys ready? Yeah, some of those gold accents. That gold paint is so heavy that it literally sank. So maybe we won't have much gold. Ooh, no, we do. We got the gold. Wow. I like that little center portion that we designed together. And I got some really interesting little pomegranate cells like that. Starting a little bit there. Looks like pomegranate seeds to me. All right, we're gonna apply our last bit of heat. If there's any cells that need to form, they can form now, and they will be much smaller than their counterparts. Wow. All right, I really like this one. But I'm gonna bring you guys down. I want you to see this thing. Very happy with it. Now the gold is still there. Right now you can see the little lines. A lot of them kind of got incorporated with the cells. But the gold that we added is still in there. And we got all these beautiful little markings. Color shifts from one color to the next. Cells growing throughout the whole thing. It's beautiful.
If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.